How are you feeling about going out there?
Excited and
Good.
nervous.
What are you doing for us? A bit of magic?
Singing!
Singing!
You really look like a magician.
Well, you never know
these days.
I thought he was playing snooker, but he's not.
I'm Anna, I'm 42 years old and I'm a full-time mother. This is my daughter, Fia.
I'm currently studying A-level subjects and I work part-time in Burger King.
We've been singing together for less than a year. When we're
Honestly,
practicing, we do argue a lot.
That's the part I don't like. You should sing it. No, I don't want to sing that part. We never thought we'd come this far, to be honest. To actually sing in front of thousands of people, in front of the judges. Oh my God.
I'm looking forward to see Simon. I love him.
He's going to actually speak to us.
Wow. Make me nervous now.
I'm ready for it. Good luck.
Thank you. Today could be
Life-changing.
Yeah.
Hello, ladies. Hiya. Hello, who are you?
My name is Anna, and this is my daughter, Fia.
Ah, mummy and daughter. Are you going to sing together?
Yes.
Is this something that you have done for a long time?
Not really, no.
Just recently.
What made you want to sing together?
Well, was family and friends encourage us.
And what does your husband think?
We had a bad year.
I had really bad, difficult marriage, and recently I had to take the kids out from home for good. And now we are here. It's our fresh start, hoping for better future for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm scared, so afraid to show I care. Will he think me weak if I tremble when I speak? I've been there. You must understand, you can't let the chance to love him pass you by. Tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper so soft and sweet. Heart if lost to feel his heartbeat. Give me the gift you give yourself. Tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper. Tell the words so soft and sweet. To feel his heartbeat. Give me the gift you give yourself. Never let him go.
It is just wonderful to see you up there and for you to be able to take courage from each other and strength. I just want the best for you. There is a place for you in this competition. David.
Really was incredibly emotional from the first note. absolutely terrific. Well done.
Thank you.
Alicia.
I always say music is the best therapy, and I can see that through music you guys are just starting this new chapter together. Your relationship is so beautiful. From the first note you sang, the hairs on my arms stood up. We were all with you the whole way emotionally. That was incredible. Incredible.
So much, thank you.
Anna and Thea. This is the best thing you could possibly do under the circumstances to show that you two are completely strong, united, just put on the most amazing performance. And the audience here, they absolutely loved it.
We're going to have to take a vote.
David?
Well, obviously, I'm going to say yes!
Alicia?
It's a yes from me.
Yes from me.
And guess what? I'm going to say about 3,500 yeses.